Ano ba yung mga inaasahan nyo pa, Prof, na medyo significant na lalabas? Halimbawa, next week. Halimbawa, hindi pa pinapatawag si si Colonel Lachica. Tapos si Madriaga, hindi rin pinapatawag. Hindi nga sure kung ipapatawag pa. Pero ipapatawag yata itong mga disbursing officers na medyo sinimula ng sisihin ni Senator Amy Marcos. No? Nakasalanan daw nitong disbursing officer, hindi necessarily yung head of office. So, from your vantage point, Professor, anong inaasahan nyo na medyo significant na lalabas next week?
Well, ako, personally, I would like the prosecution to close the loop. So, they managed to introduce specifically yung mga items na sinabi mo nga. Pero kumbaga para sa akin, hindi pa naman close yung loop. Kasi maaaring ma-explain pa yan ng defense. Pero kung halimbawa, patunayan nga nila na fictitious yung names, or sa akin, significantly, if ma-present nila yung dalawang pangalan na binanggit mo, Madriaga and Lachica, then we will hear the story of where the money actually went. Kasi sa impeachment, specifically when it concerns public funds, yun naman talaga yung kailangan marinig ng taong bayan. Lumabas yung pera, saan ba talaga napunta?
Pero sir, how do you prove that, for example, fictitious ang name? Kasi it's like proving that something does not exist is harder than proving that something does exist.
Well, I don't know how our country does it, but other countries do have two system when it comes to intelligence funds. You have the operational ledger, and then you have the what they call the public ledger. So I think based sa mga questions ng Senator Judges, it was Senator Ping Lacson who was trying to open the door to this discussion already. Although the COA auditor might not be the best person, that the younger one might not be the best person to actually answer those questions. But he was already trying to open this topic, the operational ledger versus the public ledger. Kasi doon mo talaga din makikita kung willing sila ilabas yan. Or, if they can present, the prosecution is using the tactic of actually requesting for a subpoena for some of these people like Mary Grace Piatos.
Posible ba, Professor, na wala yung operational ledger? Can that happen? Public ledger lang meron?
Well, posibleng yung public ledger ang tingnan na ng COA, di ba? Ngayon, kung yung hinahanap, for example, ni Senator Lacson, kung wala yon, then in the eyes of the senator, then call na nila talaga yan. Baka naman talaga walang intelligence activities na nangyari.